Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rao_KE. In this video today, I'm just gonna tell you how I feel. I came back from work today. I came earlier because I have a headache. And as a mom, coming back home and you find your house in a mess, you wouldn't sit down even if you're sick. So I decided to tidy up a little bit, though the house is actually in a mess. I don't want even to show you, but let me just show you how the house looks like. So this is how my house looks like, because we just left so much in a hurry in the morning and everybody is in a hurry to leave. So I'll start by showing, look at if you look around, look at, those are jackets everywhere. This is my phone. I just came with this one, so this one, don't mind about this phone and computer. I came with this ones now, and this is where I just got my GoPro from. Okay, here I have something, guys, to show you. This is a gift I received from one of my students for Women's Day. I haven't opened it. Actually, I should open it now. I don't know what is inside, but it can be my first activity to do before I clean the house, maybe. Let me put it here and see what it is. I don't know what it is. Looks like a bell or something. I need to try and open it. Woo! I dropped it down. I dropped something down because I don't know what it is actually. Okay. So I told you this is a gift I received from one of my students today. And I'm going to try to open this. I don't know what exactly it could be. These are the paddings. I think it's I'm not so sure what it is, but I think maybe it's a diffusion or something. Volume, band time. It has a band time, it has a volume. Band time is 3 hours, volume 13 kg. What is this? Oh, there's a match inside, matchbox. So I'm going to try to open this. Guys, let's open this together. It's good to receive a gift and to appreciate them, yeah? Smells good. Okay. I think there's so many the same type. Okay, there we go. Oh, look, come on, guys. Look, have a look. So I think it's this kind of a thing. It's the diffusion or what? How do you call them? I don't know. And then, I hope it's like that. Ooh. That's what I received from one of my students. And I think there's a note here. I saw something like a note here. Oh, happy Goddess Day. So I'm a goddess, yeah? I thought it's a goodness day. It's a happy Goddess Day. And here is a happy Women's Day from a child called Gracelyn Lee. Wow. And this one she made with Play-Doh. Best wishes and love forever. Wow. This is such a nice gift, guys. What do you think? For Women's Day from a student in my class. I like it. I like it so much. Oh, and it has so many banners then. Let's see how many there are in total. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus the one banning, 12. Wow, this is cost effective. Very nice. That is a lot of ban. So the smell is good, actually. Very good. This can refreshen my house. My house is so messy now. And now I maybe need to clean up a bit. Just not cleaning. I'm not cleaning up the house. Actually, I'm just going to tidy up. It looks so messy. And thank you, Gracelyn Lee, for your gift. I really appreciate this. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. This was a nice gift. I like the flower. Oops. The flower looks good too. So I just received this because I wasn't at work yesterday. And I went today, and I think she brought it yesterday. So I'll find a way of appreciating her later, maybe tomorrow when I go back to school. So this is my gift. What about this one? What is this for? Like a bell or something? Or maybe I'm not supposed to put it here. Maybe I'm supposed to put like this. But where will this one hang? I don't know. Guys, if you know how to use this, kindly let me know in the comment section. I don't know what it is for. Sounds like a yoga bell, yeah. Yeah, could be. Relaxation. Wow. I got a new toy for myself. All right, so that's what I received from my student today. And I'll leave it burning because my house needs freshening. So guys, it's time for me to clean up the house a little bit. I'm not cleaning up, but I'm just gonna refreshing. I mean, putting things in. Look, somebody lying on the couch last evening and they left it like that. That's a blanket on the couch. The remote on the couch. So I need to tidy up a little bit. Start by folding this blanket. This blanket should not be on the couch. This is a big blanket. It's not a... And I'm sure my daughter is the one who did this because she always likes to lie here when it's too cold at night. So this one will go away. I'll put this one away. Now there's another one also on the other side. This one. This one too. And then our jackets are everywhere. Oh my goodness, this cold weather should come to an end soon. Jackets everywhere. Oh. So I'll take these ones and put them away. Because when we come in the evening, sometimes you are just too tired, you just drop things everywhere. So I'll keep these ones away. So those ones have been kept away. This is my bag. I just walked in with it, but I still need to sort it out because I need to get some things from the bag. And this is my gift that I just showed you now. This is where I keep my gifts. I have so many gifts. Some of them I think I should even give away too. This is where I always keep my gifts. So I'll put it there. All these are gifts, but this is not a gift. This is... Yeah, this was also another gift. Guys, look at how I got a nice gift from one of my students. Look, with faces printed on it. This was a class of 2024. You can see me there with my students there. So this was also a gift from one of the students. All these are my gifts. Oh my goodness, this is also another gift. We have one of my parents make these cups. So she gave me a gift, lucky cup. I've never even opened it. So this is the handle, I think so. All these are gifts, guys. Caps, water caps, water bottles. And this one is also... These are things I don't use every day. That's why I keep them there. And I also have my wine over there. Anyway, so that's where I hide my things. And here I showed you some of them again. Don't worry to know. Okay, this is some local food stuff, but in form of a snack. And here are some snacks too. Maybe these ones I should put on the table so that somebody might easily find them and easily reach out for them. So guys, I told you I want to tidy up my house a little bit. It's a bit messy. And look at the table. Oh my goodness. Happy goddess. This was my lunch for today. I just came home and I drank a yogurt. That's enough for me. So I'm trying to tidy up. Oh, maybe let me find a place to put my... Oh, this thing is burning, you see? Can you see? It's burning. Oh, but it burns so fast. No wonder they put 9 in a box. It's melting so fast, yeah? Not bad. So I'll put it, I'll ask the parent about this, because this one I'm not so sure, but I think it's the bell. I'll find out about that. Part of the little thing. Try to tidy up the house a little bit before I relax. Actually, I came home because I had a terrible headache, but when I come to my house and I find my house in this state, I don't think I can even relax in such a situation. So that's why I've decided to tidy up a little bit. It's now 1:30. My house is not so clean today. I came home because I'm not feeling so well, but the house is terrible in a mess. Others will be sorted later. What else do I need to do? I'm so tired. I don't feel well today. I think this flower is long overdue. Guys, this kind of a flower can last even for 10 years. Let me show you. Guys, I was showing you something. This kind of flower can stay for even 10 years. If once it's dry, it doesn't lose again. So let me just clean up. It can stay like this even for the next 5 years. It's been here for some time. It was green and then it shaded the colors and then it remained dry like this. Then you just keep it like this and it can stay for a long time. So I keep it here. I like it because it's something that you just don't need to water it, you don't need to, it's just there. That's why I love it. These ones will be sorted later. This was my Valentine rose. My Valentine rose flower dried and now it's nothing. So I think it's time to throw it away. Valentine flower. If I show you how the flower has poured some, you see? So I have to clean up. When I showed you when I first came in, it was so messy. But now you see, it's a bit tidy, though not so clean. Because it's not my cleaning day, I'm just trying to tidy up a little bit. That's the couch. This is my living room. This is how my house simply looks like. That's the dining areas on the other side, and you can see there's some things on the dining. This is the TV area. And this is my plant. I don't know what kind of a plant it is, but this really makes me happy. It's a long life flower. It's been here for some time, and the way it's growing nicely, even in the winter, it's growing very well. And this is the candle that I just showed you from my gift. That's all. All right, thank you guys. I hope you like watching what my house looks like. This is where I survive. This is where I live. This is where I have my peace of mind. A house, so long as you have peace in your house, that is the key important thing. So thank you guys for watching. Rao_ is my YouTube name. Kindly consider liking, sharing and subscribing. Bye, and wish me well. Ooh.